If you need to add an image to a slide in LibreOffice Impress, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to insert an image into a presentation, place it on the correct slide, and adjust it so it looks clean and professional. This is a simple but very useful skill, especially if you're building a school presentation, a business deck, or any slideshow where visuals matter. And before we jump in, if this guide helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from scratch, look on the left side under Create and click Impress Presentation. If you already have a presentation saved, you can open that file instead. Once Impress is open, choose the slide where you want to add the image. You can click through the slide thumbnails on the left side until you find the exact one you want. This is important because the image will be inserted into the slide you currently have selected. Now go to the top menu and click Insert. When the drop-down opens, click Image. This will open your file browser so you can choose a picture from your computer, find the image you want to use, click on it, and then click Open. LibreOffice will place the image directly onto your slide. From there, you can resize it by clicking and dragging the corners. If you want to keep the proportions looking correct, try to resize from the corner handles rather than the sides. You can also click and drag the image to move it anywhere on the slide. Position it where it fits best with your content, whether that's beside text, under a title, or centered as the main focus. If needed, you can keep adjusting the size and placement until it looks just right. And that's really all there is to it. The image is now added to your selected slide in LibreOffice Impress, and you can repeat the same steps for any other slides that need visuals. Adding images is a great way to make your presentations more engaging, more professional, and easier to understand. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.